String iteration, looping through characters. In Kotlin, strings are sequences of characters, and there are multiple ways to iterate through each character in a string. Understanding these different iteration methods will help you choose the most appropriate approach for your specific use case. Let's explore the various techniques available. The most straightforward way to iterate through a string is using a basic for loop. In this approach, you directly iterate over each character in the string. The syntax is simple, forEachIndexed. Here, char represents each individual character as the loop progresses through the string. This method is ideal when you only need access to the characters themselves and don't require their positions. Sometimes you need both the character and its position in the string. For this, you can use the Indices property. The Indices property returns a range of valid index positions for the string. You can then use these indices to access each character using square bracket notation. This approach is useful when you need to know where each character is located, such as when modifying specific positions or comparing characters at different indices. Kotlin provides a functional programming approach with the forEach method. This method takes a lambda expression that executes for each character in the string. The syntax uses an arrow operator to define what happens with each character. This functional style is more concise and is preferred when you want to perform an action on each character without explicitly managing the loop structure. The forEachIndexed method combines the benefits of functional programming with index access. It provides both the index and the character in its lambda expression. The first parameter is the index, and the second is the character. This method is perfect when you need positional information while maintaining a functional programming style. It's cleaner than using a traditional loop with indices. Another powerful option is the withIndex method, which returns an iterator of indexed value objects. Each indexed value contains both the index and the value as a pair. You can destructure these pairs directly in the for loop declaration using parentheses. This method provides a clean syntax when working with both indices and characters in a traditional loop structure. Now that we've covered all the iteration methods, let's understand when to use each one. Use the basic for loop when you only need the characters without their positions. Use indices or withIndex when you need both the character and its index in a traditional loop. Choose forEach for a functional programming approach when only characters are needed. And use forEachIndexed when you want functional style with index access. Each method has its place, so choose based on your specific requirements and coding style preferences.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.